Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through replacing the battery in your Philips PowerPro FC 6170 vacuum cleaner. Let's get started. Begin using a Phillips head PH1 screwdriver to remove the handle and the back cover. Carefully remove the old battery and replace it with the Cameron Sino CSPHC 611VX battery. Reattach the handle and the back cover. That's all for our tutorial. Thank you for watching.